So in question 7a, again we're told we're going to hear 2 different excerpts. Each will be played 4 times. And it gives you the 4 boxes for excerpt A, so that you know that these questions on this page only relate to excerpt A, and you see over the page it starts to relate to excerpt B. So question 7a is which family of instruments plays the excerpt. So you're not being asked for a specific instrument, you're being asked for a family. Safe to assume that it's talking about the orchestral family, so you've got strings, brass, woodwind, percussion. And if we look at the mark scheme, here it tells you that we're talking about strings. So that's a nice easy 1 mark question. Describe the texture of this excerpt. So again we've got our usual 3 words of homophonic, polyphonic, monophonic. And in this example, the answer is actually unison, which means that it's effectively monophonic because all of the instruments playing are playing the same melody but at the same pitch. So if the first violin is playing a C, then so is the second violin, so is the viola, etc., etc. So a unison texture where they're all playing the same notes. It then tells us that this excerpt contains 4 notes. What is the interval between the last 2 notes? So you're listening to the last 2, and we can give an option for 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Unlike previous questions, it's only worth 1 mark, so we don't need to identify whether it's a perfect 5th, a perfect 4th, a major 3rd, major 2nd, etc. And it tells us here the correct answer is a 2nd. So the notes are pretty much as close together as they can get. So that's a nice easy question. I would take it as an opportunity to revise the families of the orchestra. You can find that on our orchestral landmarks videos. I'll take it as an opportunity to provide words to do with texture and maybe a bit of interval listening, because we've had a few of them during this specimen paper series. Right, take care.